Once upon a time, in the golden kingdom of Leora, lived Princess Aria, whose heart was kind but shadowed by sorrow. Her mother, the queen, had vanished years ago, leaving behind only a mystical mirror, said to hold secrets of the heart. One evening, as moonlight danced across the marble floor, the mirror began to glow. Aria stepped closer and saw not her reflection, but the image of a young man trapped inside. His name was Aaron, a guardian spirit cursed for falling in love with a mortal queen, Aria's mother. Guided by love and destiny, Aria began a secret journey into the forgotten forest, home to magical creatures and the ancient fairy of light, Lenara. There, she discovered that to free Aaron, she must sacrifice her most precious memory, the last image of her mother. With tears in her eyes, Aria whispered, "Let love be free," and shattered the mirror. Light flooded the forest, breaking the curse. Aaron was freed, but Aria's memory faded like starlight. Years later, a gentle wind brushed her face as a stranger bowed before her. Aaron, now human, smiling softly. He whispered, "Even if you've forgotten me, my heart will always remember you." Sparkles, and somewhere, deep in the mirror's shards, a love still shimmered. Studio microphone. Love is not always remembered, but it is never truly lost. If you believe in magic, love will always find you.